Hello everyone, today I'll be making a vegetarian Middle Eastern dish called Mujadara. For this recipe you will need a cup of rice, a cup of lentils. Make sure to get these kind of lentils, the whole brown lentils, because using other kinds it tends to get mushy while cooking with the rice. And here we have 2 onions. Make sure to cut them this shape. And for the spices, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. So I'll start by adding my 1 cup of lentils. I have already washed it and soaked it for 2 hours, 2 hours to 3 hours to speed up the cooking process. Now I'll be adding my water. I'm gonna be adding 2 cups of water. Make sure you don't add salt at the beginning, because what salt do is will stop the lentils from cooking. So we'll add the salt after it's done cooking. And I also don't want it to cook all the way. I'm gonna let it cook halfway, because it's gonna be already cooking with the rice as well. So I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes. So while my lentils are cooking on the side, I'll be moving and making my onions next. I'll start by adding my oil. Now I'll be adding my onion. I want to cook my onion on a medium heat. I don't want to put it on a high heat and get it burnt. I'll cook it until it turns golden brown. Keep moving it for about 20 minutes. So now that my lentils are halfway cooked, again we left them for 20 minutes on a medium heat, I'll be adding my 1 cup of rice. As you can see, we need to add more water, so I'll be adding about a cup of water. Wait for it to boil. I'm gonna put it on a high heat, wait for it to boil. And now I'll be adding my spices. So after boiling, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium and let it cook for about another 20 to 25 minutes. The final step is adding our onion on top. This is a great, easy, affordable recipe, and you can serve it on with a side of salad or yogurt. And hope you guys give it a try. Thank you for watching.